Rapid City, South Dakota, not far from Mount Rushmore. Robert Mudge, a young engineer, finds himself at a career crossroad. His father, Jim, encourages him to start a business in a state where his roots are. The idea was to start a manufacturing company to service local industries such as mining, cement, and coal-fired power plants. The common thread was these industries all have machinery that would frequently wear out and require countless hours of manpower to repair. RPM engineering and manufacturing teams developed longer-lasting and more cost-effective wear solutions by employing automatic welding systems, CNC machining, and appropriate material selection to increase wear life and reduce costs. RPM began to rebuild and manufacture critical coal pulverizer parts for the power generation industry. As their clients began to experience higher productivity, reduced downtime, and lower maintenance costs, word spread about RPM's ingenuity. They are the trendsetters in innovative solutions for industry. Their entire team is performing groundbreaking work that is opening their competitors' eyes and exceeding their customers' expectations. For more information about RPM, visit rpmandassociates.com.